Meet Susie, our American bald eagle. And they are also the emblem for the United States of America. Look at the fly, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, distributed from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of Alaska, North America. They are one of the top 5 largest eagles that can be found in the world. And also the largest fish-eating eagle in North America. By the way, everyone, you can see feathers on Susie's head. So, why are they called the bald eagle? Well, for a very simple logic. When these birds are flying high up in the sky, the white feathers on its head will make it look as if it is bald. Hence the name, the American bald eagle. By the way, Susie is already 20 years old and they can live up to about 45 years in captivity. Okay, now thank you Susie for joining us, and I guess it's time for you to head back home all the way to Hafiz. Wow, look at that, ladies and gentlemen, Susie, our American bald eagle. Thank you. Let us now invite on the stage Titan. You see him? Right up there. Right over here, Titan. Hello. A very nice entrance indeed. By the way, everyone, Titan here is a turkey vulture, and they can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are pretty abundant in the wild, numbering over 10 million of them. And turkey vultures, they have a unique sense of smell, which enables them to detect a rotting carcass from miles away. Hence, that would make them usually the first bird for the larger vultures to do the job. Okay, so now you know that vultures have very good teamwork system as well. Alright, look at him spreading his wings, showing off. Isn't he beautiful? Alright, Titan, thank you for joining us, and you have done very well. I guess you can head back home to your trainer, right back there. Everybody say bye-bye, Titan. Look at him go. Ladies and gentlemen, Titan, our turkey vulture. Fly very silently. Okay, and that is what this owl is going to show you. So everyone, remain in your seat. Be as quiet as possible, because this owl is going to demonstrate to you its ability of a silent flight. See that? A very silent flight above some of you there. By the way, an owl, they are able to fly very silently. That's because they have soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. The sound frequency won't be absorbed by those soft edges. Now, who knows what do owls usually hunt for? What, Mickey Mouse? Found throughout Southeast Asia, including Singapore. Alright? And this particular species has evolved to hunt for fish as well, which makes them very unique indeed. Oh, look at that, everyone is pointing over there. By the way, joining us, that is Soren, our barn owl. And barn owls can be found across 6 continents except for the Antarctica. And they come in different shapes and sizes as well, yeah? Now, ladies and gentlemen, Soren is demonstrating to you some silent flights, okay? By the way, as she does that, let me tell you, both these owls, they will hatch and raise right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Yes, this year, Soren is already 7 years old, whereby Belang over here is 13 years old. Now to be exact, they will hatch and raise at the Breeding and Research Center. Wow, look at that. Look at that. How about a big hand for that attempt, everyone? Thank you. Oh, another jump right up there. Okay. Round here is a southern crested caracara, and they can be found in South America. Well, they are also the largest of all caracara in the family. Okay. Now, special thing about Raul here is that he is just as old as I am. He's already 30 years old, everybody. That's right. Okay, Raul, stop stealing the food. Okay. That was a good snatch this time. Alright. Okay, you see that food right over there? Believe me, later on, another bird will come down and snatch it away without me pointing to it. That's because their eyesight is that good, okay? Alright, so Radu is circling around. He wants to demonstrate. Okay, for those of you that have just joined us, quickly find yourself a seat. I told you. Okay, so we are going to do 5 throws. Let's see how many of these throws these birds are able to catch. Okay, starting with number 1. Wow. Number 1 is a good catch. Number 2. Wow. Number 2 is a nice catch. By the way, let me introduce you to them. These birds, the big brown guys, they are the cinereous vultures from Europe, Asia, and some parts of Africa as well. They are also known as the monk vultures. Right? Now, these 2 ladies, they are the marabou's stock from Africa, and they are also known as the old man stock because of how they look like. Okay? Now, it is a very common sight to see these birds coexisting with the vultures feeding on a carrion, just like the one Shadow is on. Okay? By the way, her name is Shadow. Carrions which might carry potential viruses. Their digestive system is so powerful that they might be able to eliminate these viruses. But sadly, everyone, you know that our nature's cleanup crew are critically endangered in the wild, or should I say their numbers are not thriving really well. Okay, that's because of deforestation, poaching, and even deliberate poisoning of carcasses, which is very, very sad. So let us do our part for conservation so that these birds get to stay alive. And after having seen all these birds being shown here today, I'm sure that you would agree with me. Thank you really much. Well, we have come to the end of the show, everyone. But remember, please remain in your seats until my colleagues call out for your row. With that, from me and my team, we would like to thank every single one of you for joining us today. Have a good day in the park. Thank you and goodbye.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. I'm smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry about tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you look. song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. You wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so good, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. Don't wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so good, it's like your love is getting to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. Don't wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart.